The Driver versus Driver program was a collaboration that Wilson presented to the Golf Channel as a way to bring innovation to life in a reality format by crowdsourcing a bunch of ideas and having those individuals experience the development process that goes in from design to engineering to performance, and then ultimately producing a product that we could take to market. Altair was brought in to bridge the gap from idea to full product. Designers were brought in to work with each of the contestants on their designs, shaping their designs, creating ultimately CAD that could be evaluated, shaped, changed, and then brought to market for a full, complete product.
Because of our long relationship with Altair, they were a natural fit. We'd already worked with them on several golf projects in simulation and CAD and consultation in our racket sports group. When we're developing golf clubs specifically, we're looking at the structure of the product itself. Using a lot of computer-aided design and computer-aided engineering tools helps us develop a better product before we finally cut a tool. So from a CAD perspective, getting the center of gravities and the inertia properties of a head right helps that product perform, and we know that up front before we ever make our first part. Using computer-aided engineering, we're able to simulate impacts and stresses and strains on the club head itself, and helps us make sure that that product is going to be robust and structurally sound. In golf, everybody is looking to hit the ball further. It makes the game easier. And so one of the ways to do that is to increase club head speed. And one of the ways to increase club head speed is to make it more aerodynamic.
Altair's virtual wind tunnel was used extensively in the design of each of the products. The golf swing is an inherently high-speed event. It is a club moving through space and through air, and anything moving at 100 plus miles per hour, the wind resistance on that makes a huge factor on the performance of the product.
The ability to use a virtual wind tunnel from a product from Altair, be able to go through a large amount of iterations and get this down to a driver that really does have a very low drag coefficient, was totally key in helping us develop the product that we brought to market. Using Evolve was a huge advantage to both the contestants and to Wilson Sporting Goods. One, we had a lot of ideas that we very quickly needed to generate virtual representations of. And using Altair's help, along with our engineers here at Wilson Sporting Goods, we were able to bring those to life very, very quickly.
Very often there is a challenge in exporting 3D information from one software package to another. And through the Evolve system, with their designers that were helping us, we're able to seamlessly move from one use to another across the breadth of 3D CAD needs.
The winning driver on the Driver versus Driver show was totally innovative. For the first time, we brought to market a driver that was the most adjustable multi-piece driver ever, that really allows a golfer to dial in his settings from the way he wants his ball flight to be handled to the amount of swing weight he wants in the product. So it was a fantastic success. Altair was a big piece of the success of the Driver versus Driver show. There is no way we would have been able to pull the show off without them. We are continually working on new products. This was an additional kind of project that was taken on, and they stepped right in, worked right along our engineers, and helped us kind of create the most innovative driver that's ever been brought to market.